Hi, my name is Amstan and welcome to this new exciting tutorial about this slice template. I hope you like it because I spent a lot of time working on it and to provide you with this nice scene look without using any plugin. Okay, so you see in this template you can customize the texture of this wall, the color, the light position and the color, also the extrude of the logo and the lighting and the position, also the scale and even the scale of this logo over the 3D shapes here and the position. And also you can customize the texture, the bump texture over this cylinders object, 3D objects, and also the flare and the flare color, the cylinder color, the 3D object color, and also what else? I don't know. Let's see what you have else. So close this. So first thing to do is to import your logo. So you see here, before that you have only 3 comp to customize. The first one is dragging your logo. So just double click here or go to file, import file, and suppose your logo is this one. So just as in it's just an example, you know. So just drag it down, hide the other one, and press S for scale to scale it up or down, whatever. Just keep it inside this comp. Okay, if you have maybe a white logo like this one, for example. The old one I think is white. Okay, so you can see the text here, so just toggle to click here to toggle transparency geared to be able to see. It's not affecting the render, so just here to help you to see your logo. So in the black logo you may toggle the switch here. Okay, so after that go to the strap line, so just double click on the here in this layer and just retype what you want. Suppose my new strap line, always type in this sentence. Okay, after that let's play here with the real settings. So we'll go layer by layer. So the first one, so it says 3D object and flare. So here you can customize the 3D objects and flare parameters. So we go to the effect control tab, and here you have silver map, grunge, metal, your texture. What's this? So the first 3 layers is about the texture over this 3D shape. So for now the silver map is selected. You can select another map here, or you can select your texture. For now there is nothing, so because you did not yet put on your textures. To do that, just go to more for more customization and double click to open this 3D cylinder texture. It's empty now, so same thing, double click and import texture, suppose this one, and then drag it down, as simple as that, and go back to the customize it, and you see your texture is already there. So let's go back to the effect control. So let's use this texture for now. You have also the bump height, so you can play with it, not too so play with this setting until you find the good value, you know. And after that you have the object tint. For now it's by default it's a little bit blue, you know, but you can change the color to green, whatever. So just play with the settings to match your logo color. It's a little bit of color gradient, you know. So here punch it. What's this? It's to play with the contrast. You can make it lighter or darker, depending on what you want. Also you have the flare tints. For this maybe you want to select this nice flare frame, and by default it's blue, but you can turn it to red or green or yellow, whatever, it's up to you. Okay, so I think that's it for the first layer. The second one is about the logo. So we have the logo position, logo size, the indent logo extrude, and the indent logo lighten. So we may start with the position and the size. To do that, we have here nice frame. We have a look on the logo, and you can play. You see here, I see that the bump is too high, so let's go to here and turn it down to 100. I think it's better. And go back to the logo, and you can here play with the position. Maybe no, it's too a little bit down or up. You can decrease the resolution to have a nice and fast preview, maybe a little bit left or right, and also the size, smaller or bigger. And then the logo extrude, the indent logo extrude. So it's this. See, the logo at the end has nice 3D extrude. So maybe go to half resolution, and you can play with the setting, get rid of it, or to 50 or whatever, depend on your logo and the look that you want to have. And also the lighten, maybe you want more bright or less, depend of what you want also. So that's it for the logo. Next we have strapline and look, and it's you see you have many sliders. So the first one is about the position of the strapline, maybe here. The second one is about the scale, scale it up, maybe move it left or right a little bit, and also the color, maybe even white. And you have kind of drop shadow. You can play with get rid of it or play with transparency of it. Let's keep it for now. You have a nice vignette over the edges to have a cine look, and also this cine bars, you can play with it or whatever. So, and then fade to black. This is because I put this fade to black at the end, but if you do not want it, just uncheck this box, uncheck this checkbox. So let's keep it for now. And that's it for the strapline and look. And the final one is about, one thing before I forget. So if you do not want strapline, or you do not have a strapline, so just hide it here, and you see it disappear here. What's next? Okay, this ending wall map and lights. So here you have a lot of parameters. We start by the texture. You have two kinds of texture that I put there for you. So the first one is texture A, and you can use texture B, or you can use your own texture. Of course, there is nothing for now, but go back to more and open this ending wall texture, and just double click and import, suppose this one, and drag down. Okay, I think it's good. Go back to customize it, and you see it's already there. So I suggest you to have a nice and close look to be able to customize the bump value. So I think 20 is good, maybe 10. Okay, I think 10 is better. Or maybe 13. Okay, good. So now we can go back to quarter to play with the light position. So you see this nice circle here. When you click on the upper light, you can play with the light position. Okay, and it's also affecting your logo. So the upper light is affecting the logo. So just be aware of it when you play with the position. You can also select the upper light color. So maybe here I want just a white one, and they have also the bottom light. When you select it, you'll find the bottom circle here, and just play with the settings. You see, it's do not affect the logo but only the wall. I keep, so just maybe move it here, and let's keep maybe nice green here. Okay. And also we have the light height. So you see, it's the position of the light over in the Z space over the wall. So let's keep it this value for now, it's good. And you have also the wall color, so maybe red or blue, or like this one, nice green. Okay, so you see, in small steps we can change the look significantly. Okay, so I think I forgot something. No, bottom light, upper light, bottom light, light height, light intensity. Also you can play with it, maybe down or more bright or less, depends of. So I put this, all this. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's really to give you as many tools as possible to customize your, to have your own look. Okay, so I think that's it. Maybe I forgot something. No, I don't know. I don't think so. So just before leaving you, just to show you how easy and how fast it is to customize this template. Oh, one thing. This template is for the square or circular logo. You can't use this kind of text logo, because you'll see, if you have a logo like this one, maybe you may want to put the logo, maybe you may want to use this version instead of, sorry, this version instead of this one, because if you use this one, let's go back to the, you see it doesn't really work, because you have this wall that has a hole with the shape of your logo, so it did not work very well. So you may want to use instead this kind of logo. So here you can have a nice ending. You see, it works. So, and just before leaving you also, so you see, let's go, can very quickly customize your once you're familiar with the settings and the tools, you can very quickly customize it. You see here, for example, red or orange look. Maybe punch it a little bit, and maybe keep the flare blue, or red. Yes, and maybe the logo size bigger, and also the position. Yes, maybe okay here, and the ending wall, the strapline, no strapline for now. Ending wall, maybe use this texture, and the color, keep it green, yeah, why not? And you see, you can play with the position of the light, even second bottom and the upper one in here, and play with the color, maybe this in blue. See, it's very easy to customize this template, so you'll have a lot of fun playing with these settings. me increase the logo bump extrude for this example. Okay, go to full resolution just to see. Okay, it's good. So you see, it's very quick, so very fast. So once you've done all that, just open one of these final comp presets. Suppose you take this one. So the music is already there, but if you want to use another music, just go to more, double click here and drag your music here. Just delete the old one, or make it or mute the old one. So let's go back to rendering. So once it's there, just open this one or these final comps and go to composition, add to render queue, and here you can play with the, can choose the codec, the format, sorry, maybe QuickTime, and the compression. It said that you have to choose the compression from here, not from this, is because it's CS4, you know. And also you can just don't forget to check this audio output and hit OK, and then here you can select your name and output destination. Okay, that's it. So hope you like it. So please rate it. Goodbye.